If you are young and broke, this video will teach you proven ways to turn your financial situation around by showing you how young people, including myself, earn consistent revenue every single month. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, do well to subscribe for more videos on finance, entrepreneurship and freelancing. Without further ado, let's get started. If you have seen my video for the first time, my name is Temi and I've been making money online now for the past 9 years. Over the years, I've come to realize that people make regular income online, understand and practice certain attributes which you are about to find out in this video. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll be getting so much value that has potential to change your financial status over the next few months. Some years ago, I was an undergraduate at the university when I discovered I could make money online. In fact, I made my first $1,000 in 1 week. I went further to make thousands of dollars before graduating from the university. One thing I've done over the years is constant learning and putting everything I've learned into practice, and today I have a list of things that have worked for me and a lot of people all over the world. The number one thing is learning high income skills that are easy to learn. When you think of high income skills, think of something that is high in demand and easy to learn within a short period. The truth is, there are tons of high income skills today, but some are not flexible and they require longer period to learn. I mean, if you decide to start learning today, it might take you up to 6 months or even 2 years to completely gain something valuable, and that can prolong your chances of making money quick enough to meet your financial needs. Examples of high income skills that take time to learn include software engineering, cybersecurity, data science, data analysis, and so on. However, if you focus on high income skills such as copywriting, SEO, digital marketing, virtual assistant, project management, video production, graphics, and so on, you can learn as fast as possible, and in fact, you can make your first $1,000 within the first 2 months to 6 months. If you're learning to become a virtual assistant, check out my video where I shared my path to 6-figure virtual assistants. This video shows how you can navigate your way from zero to becoming a 6-figure virtual assistant working for busy people. The next thing you want to do as soon as you learn high income skills is to market your skills. There are multiple ways to do this. The first thing is creating a brand around your skills. This requires building a website and advertising to your target audience using social media or pay-per-click platforms like Google. Here is how to do this. Create a website using WordPress. There are other platforms, but I always recommend WordPress because of its flexibility and performance. Make a list of all the skills you have acquired and create a page for each service. The website will have an home page where potential customers land when they first visit your site. Next, create an about section where clients can have a background knowledge of who you are, what you do, your brand mission and vision. Having this page in your site is good for SEO, and more importantly, it helps to build trust in front of potential clients. Next, create an individual page for all the services you provide. For example, if you offer a range of digital skills, you can start by creating one for each service to enable potential clients have a detailed understanding of what they are getting. When building each page, focus on crafting a short, clear, and concise description highlighting why and how the service will benefit their business and link them with a good return on investment. If you are able to convince potential clients that you offer the best services and can exceed their expectations, you can start making thousands of dollars every month by attracting business owners looking for your services. The number 2 ways to sell your skills is through freelancing. This method is easier and it is what I have used to build a portfolio online and make over $30,000 in revenue. It involves listing your skills on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. To begin the process, register on any of these freelancing sites. Create a professional looking profile and list your services with the best title, description, pricing, and image. Platforms like Upwork require finding jobs that match your expertise and sending proposals to the job owners. You can get invited for jobs, but at first, you need your profile to be properly set up for potential customers to consider you for their project. In my next video, I'll show you how to craft winning proposals and create highly professional profile that grabs client attention even as a new seller with no job history. Next, building client relationship. This is arguably the most overlooked and important aspect that many people don't get to talk about. You might be the best in your niche, but without client relationship, you might just be practicing it around all the time. The truth is, many clients will approach you for long-term projects. For how you handle their first job, their second job, your interaction and commitment towards their satisfaction is what determines whether they want to stick around. This strategy is what I've learned over the years, and it has helped me earn consistently over the years. Here's how you can build quality relationship with your clients. 1. Aim towards satisfaction. Put yourself in the position of your client. Imagine how you feel when someone surpasses your expectation. This can mean getting beyond what you paid for, and it's always intriguing. Each time you make your clients happy, they will always come back for more and possibly recommend you to their friends. 2. Practice good communication. Most clients love fast delivery, which may not be possible sometimes, but ideally, you should communicate regularly to inform your clients ahead in case you need more time or require certain information to complete their project. And lastly, always invest in yourself. Growth is beyond working online and generating revenue alone. Spend quality time learning new things to add to your experience, and always take action when you are done learning. Also, investing in tools to deliver better jobs will always pay off. Don't get me wrong, free tools can save you a lot of money and still deliver high quality. But trust me, you sometimes need premium tools to get an edge in your niche. If you combine these strategies and implement in your daily life, you can start seeing significant improvement in a matter of 2 to 6 months. And if you are focused and committed to the process, you can be 100 times better mentally, and your whole life can turn around in a matter of 12 months. If you find value in this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Watch out for more videos on how you can improve your finances and make money for more financial stability. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.